Delilah, how's the view?
Pretty awesome. For miles.
All right.
Amazing, very impressive. We're on our way, but we'll get there way after you.
Yeah. It's all right.
Awesome.
All right.
Take care.
Well, they'll finish the chalet and gondola by the time you guys get there. You
Yeah.
have to like
I want one too.
walk down. Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Take care.
Hey,
Best of
hey,
luck
meet
with
you.
it.
Yeah, thanks.
Good to meet you.
I'm gonna sign the book here quick.
Excellent.
Yeah, is this it?
That's it. Yeah, it's kind of full, but
It's all
grab a
right.
spot.
I'll find a little spot.
So here I am crossing the James River footbridge. Apparently it's the longest footbridge on the AT. And just a little bit ago I met Scott Jurek, the guy that's trying to break the current record for the AT hike. And so he's doing something close to like 50 miles a day. So that was a pretty cool thing to do, but it just finished raining, so I'm hiking on a little bit more, and I don't know, today's been a good day. The past few have been kind of hard, so it's nice to have a day that feels a little easier, right? Wiedersehen.
There must be something in the wind that wants me to die, to leave all this behind, to let go of these chains and let them fall. It's like I've always known you and still don't know who you are, and I can hear the thunder roaring from a distance, and it's me on the shoreline. Slowly but surely you're moving closer, and you're pushing the water. Yeah, you're pushing the water.